Yeah, big dogs. Christopher here, and next one. Today we're in Paria. So I'll show you how to do the entire hike. I also have a video showing the entire trail in like, but I don't know what you call it, in time lapse. The entire trail. I'll post it as well, somewhere on the screen, or I'll drop the link below. Yeah. So the hike begins Blanchisseuse Spring Bridge. Yeah, big dogs. So the first 1/3 of the trail is actually a road like this, a dirt road. There's some barber green within it, but eventually it comes out onto a dirt road like this. There's 4x4 guys like to come through here, just for fun. And from there, the other 2/3 is forest. So when we get to the beach, I run some drone clips. Boom. Oh, one more thing. You will meet trucks or side roads like this on the trail. You are not taking any right. You just continue along the dirt road that is closest to the shore. That's along the shoreline. Because you will see probably about 3 roads that are going up into the forest. Don't take those. You need to stay on the dirt road that's closest or running up parallel to the shoreline. I forgot. Once you get to the 1/3 marker, you continue along the shore. There's a trail there, and it continues. Yeah, guys. So I didn't bring any water to the hike, so I just collecting some water here to drink. You want to take where the water flowing the most. You don't want to take any stagnant water, because that will have the most bacteria in it. So this is the first stream that you will meet on the Paria hike. Look at it. Lovely. So this is a filter. Soya Mini. It works good. So I just filled up the water in the river. So I'm going to attach this onto the bottle now. So this is Kilimanjaro. I just attach on the filter to the river water. Okay. It come out kind of frothy. I ain't use the filter in a long while. Good stuff. This is Kilimanjaro, one of the hardest hills on the Paria Trail. You have to experience it. I'll show you how to go down. Hey, big dog. We are at the bottom of Kilimanjaro. Nice stream. To top up some water again. I have enough. I just had a little sip. You don't want to have too much water while you're doing this hike, because you will feel upset. Your belly will be gloom, 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 gloom. Yeah, so this is Kilimanjaro. Let me show you what it looks like from this angle. Oh, you can't see it. Maybe when I'll get a shot from on top. Hey, big dogs. Top of Kilimanjaro. Look at this thing. Mount Kilimanjaro. I don't know if you could see that. Well, that is about maybe about 300 feet. But the trail is good. It's zigzagging. That's good. That's good. Good workout. So at this point you probably reach about, you finish 2/3 of your hike, 1/3 again. 3 attractions that you will see: Cathedral Rock, the Cathedral at the beach, obviously Paria Beach, and then there's the river and the waterfall. So, yep, stay tuned. Yo. Woo! Tarzan!
You have to do a double. Where come on for already?
You feel it?
No, I don't want
I didn't do one of that. I follow up and then.
It's fake, no, your hand will slide out of that.
Now, if I listen on this line, hold up, where you go?
Yeah.
Go up with your foot there. Go up with your foot, slip with this thing. Huh?
Flip with your legs.
Yeah, go up, because if you fall, it's up 1,000 feet, eh? Go up here, hold good, right, right.
Right.
What's your height right there? What's your height? Don't fall in.
Go again, go again.
Nah, don't fall in. You see the height there? You see the height there?
Yeah, I dread hiding. Nice idea.
Don't worry.
You fall straight down in the sun, I'll be one time.
Take it.
Yeah, I have it here.
Okay.
Them dogs and them swinging.
Put it on island hikers.
I'll put up on the group. Yeah, big dogs. When I get to this point, Cathedral Rock is on the end there. I'll head out in a little while. Right now we're doing the hike first. And then when I come back, then I'll go out there and probably do a little drone footage and that kind of thing. Show you how it's looking. And yeah, we almost got to Paria. We almost reach. About 20 minutes again. Yo! Amazing, huh? Look at this, look at this. Look at this, this is Cathedral Rock. This is Cathedral Rock, guys. Look at this, look at this. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. So right over there is Senna. For those of you who ever heard about Senna, I think the other name for it is Tostan Bay. Yeah, that's Senna Bay over there. For some reason I think the water looks a little dirty because of all the rainfall. But damn, this place is still amazing. I mean, look at this. Oh my god. Persons like to jump over here and then they try to climb up the wall over there and get back to the beach. But it's okay to jump now because the waves aren't choppy, the water isn't that choppy. There's a guy here, he jumped earlier this year and unfortunately he didn't make it. So if you would like to jump, please be careful. Please be careful. Yeah. Yeah, big dogs. Reach. Reach. Try that. That's the Cathedral Rock there. Let's take a walk. Yeah, big dogs. Cathedral. Paria. We reach, doggies, we reach. I wouldn't recommend you climb on that rock. So we heading down the bay, and then we'll go to the waterfall. I'll show you how to get to the waterfall as well. No, that's the block too. That's the block. Yeah, that's the block. Dog. Hey. Let's go up there. I'm flying the drone good. All of a sudden, signal us lost. Boom. And it wouldn't even land. It wouldn't come back. I ran down the beach quite out there. It wouldn't come back. So two fellas went up there. And they got the drone. Hope the next challenge now is to bring the drone back down and through the water without getting wet. Yeah, dogs. The gate. Oh. The gate. Let me come back down there over there. My heart just racing right now, dogs. Wait. The drone can mash up. I just want them to come back down safely. That's all. That's kind of scary to go up there and come back down, to be honest. That's amazing. Yeah, not a drop. The fellas on them have it up in the air. That meant 65 miles up, eh? What? You understand? Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
What? With the shoes on? Just touch your water. With the shoes on? Adrian, don't worry, I negotiate 2 Guinness. How many you drink? Let me get one. Take it. Hold it. Hold it. Again 2 Guinness. I take it again.
It's not Victoriano.
You're my real bad boy. I cannot do that. There may be 2 men who save your life. I cannot do that.
I already gave up. I was like, I was gonna leave it there. I gave up. Let's open up. See what's the reveal. If it's dry inside, looking real dry.
There's my Ziploc there. What? How much for this drone?
9,500. Titty, yeah.
1,000 US. 1,000 US? No, more than 1,000. 1,500.
My God.
I don't think I have 20 baht.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Well, my God. Oh yeah, I bet. Good.
Thank you, man.
Oh.
Yeah, all of
Just to
us.
make sure. Hey!
Look at it, boy.
What? Hey!
Let me get a drone pick. Come. Drone. Hold up the drone, boy. Hold up the drone. That book, get out. Yes. Drone prick.
Hey! Thanks, brother. Thanks so much.
Yeah, you got it.
Thanks so much.
I got 100, so.
Hey, thanks buddy. All right, fellas, this is legends, right? Legends. Yeah. Yeah, big dogs. That drone session was just, oh my god. So, this is the trail to head to the waterfall. You walk along to the beach, you walk along the beach, and you get to this area here. If you walk down and you get to the river is at the end of the bay, and you see those blue tarpaulin there, you're too far. This is what you're looking for. Yeah? Almond tree, and then there's a mango tree here. You can't really miss it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Wow. Yeah? So I'll catch you when you get back to the main, well, this is the main trail for the waterfall, but there's a little turn off. I'll show you where the turn off is as well. Yeah, big dogs. So you'll reach a fork in the trail. If you go that way, you'll end up Brazos Echo after, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours of hiking. And you take the left, you go down. There's a marker here. Some great legends marked it out for us, so you won't get lost. So what you do, you follow along this trail. Eventually you'll meet the river. And probably for the next 2 minutes or so you'll meet the river. And you follow the trail around the river, and then you'll meet the waterfall. So I'll see you there. Yeah, big dog. So as I say, eventually you'll come out at the river. Right, there's Paria Waterfall through this. I'll show you this now. Anyway, I'm gonna take off my shoes because I don't wanna get wet. So this is the river, and that's Paria Waterfall up here. So when you get to this point, you have to cross the river. You could walk up the river if you wish, but the water could be as deep as waist height. So you cross the river. Yeah, I got you. And you go up here. Yeah, big dogs. Paria Waterfall. Wow. A lot of water coming down. Woo. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this now, boy. Oh. I burn, you ain't gonna lie. I real burn right now. And then we have from here, we have to go back, what, 3 hours back? That's a lot. But look at this dog. And it's pumped. I'm tired, but I pumped. So I'm gonna take a dip right now. So yeah, the best water ever. Oh yeah, it's cool. It's cool. Oh yeah. Oi.